So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB Government Exam Revision Series, we have a list question to answer on the topic agriculture. So in short, stay till the end of this video as this is a very important one. Let's go ahead and check out the question here. It says, the Green Revolution program was the effected manifesto of the dash in 1979. We have A. UPN, B. NPP, C. GNPP, D. NPN. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here. That's the NPN. That's it for this question. So this is where we'll end this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. So finally guys, I want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we'll post major updates on JAMB examinations. So you can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video and see you on the next one.